turnout we've ever had for a membership dinner, so give yourself a hand. And thank you for all of you for being supporters of CHCP. I'm going to allow my raffle ladies to get up and come to your tables. And we would...
Marie, for making it sound like I'm so considerate for showing up, but have you ever tried to say no to Jerry?
Nobody can.
It's like a big family that I never had. So truly, wherever I get to go with you, it's a welcome time. So I even drive from San Francisco an hour
of your ability, reserve, and by the authority of appearing on a public affairs program in Ohio. Ever heard of it? Ohio? He joined ABC.
You know, I am so excited to be here, not only because this is such a distinguished organization, but because I feel this room is filled with people I've known throughout my reporting career. And some of you are my neighbors, some of you are my friends, some of you have been interviewed for our stories. I look around the room, I see Mike Honda, I see Janie Fong, I see Paul Fong, I see, of course, Dion's here. Well, how lucky we are to have Dion here tonight. Robert Honda is here tonight. Sal is here. They, of course, had the spotlight a few minutes ago. I mean, I could go on and on. So I feel very privileged to be in a very, very special group of people tonight. But you are all very special to me because you as founders, leaders, and members and supporters of CHCP have done such significant work over the decades to preserve and to promote our cultural history and to create that wonderful museum that we have in San Jose. So congratulations for all that you have done through the years, and thank you for all that you continue to do and will continue to do in the future for future generations to know about our proud history and our contributions to society.
Anyway, let me get started here. This month, we celebrated Martin Luther King's birthday.
Take a cup of kindness, yet follow thy side.
Let's see, how are we going to get there? To make this happen, I have a dream, and that we will aggressively seek grants.
I know you're going to pay. I know I drive you guys crazy. You know, even one of the board members say that I move too fast sometimes, but I'm glad you guys
bless once more throughout the land. One dragon will join us today in a blessing for CHCP.
Yeah, go ahead.
Nodding on the forehead.
Yes, the forehead.
It doesn't jump, right? There.
Yes, I do.
write your address. It only takes 3 minutes, but this minute action may be the change we need. We need your help to influence the decision to make